Good morning class 8. This is your part 7 video from exercise 13.4, that is basics of quadrilateral. Okay, so today we start from question number 8. Question number 8. Two adjacent angle of a rhombus are in the ratio 1:5. Find the angles of rhombus. First of all, this is your rhombus. The two adjacent angle means what? The two adjacent angle means this one and this one. Okay, we know that the sum of adjacent angle is what? 180 degree. So two adjacent angle of a rhombus are in the ratio 1:5. So let two adjacent angle be 1x and 5x. That means this is 1x and 5x. Okay, so we know that angle A plus angle B equals to 180 degree. Reason? Sum of adjacent angle is supplementary, because supplementary means what? 180 degree. So 1x plus 5x equals to 180, 6x equals to 180, x equals to 180 by 6, that is 30 degree. So angle A is 30 degree, angle B is 5x, that means 5 into 30 is 150 degree. Find all the angles, of rhombus. We know that rhombus has some additional features, but it also has the features of parallelogram. Okay, so in parallelogram opposite angles are equal. So angle A equals to angle C equals to 30 degree. This one is also 30 degree, and angle B equals to angle D equals to 150 degree. Opposite angles are equal. Okay, note. Now question number 9. The length of diagonal of a rhombus are 16 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find the side of rhombus. Okay, this is your rhombus, that is A, B, C, D, and two diagonals AC and BD bisect at O. Okay, so ABCD is a rhombus given. Okay, AC equals to 16 because the length of diagonal, suppose AC is 16 and BD equals to 12 is given. Okay, so if AC is 16, we know that features of the rhombus, the diagonals are bisect each other. So that means if AC is 16, so AO and OC, that means this portion and this portion equally divided, equals to 16 upon 2, that is 8 centimeter. And here is BD is 12, that means BO OD equals to 12 by 2, that is 6 centimeter. Reason? Diagonals bisect each other. Clear? So we get this one is 8 centimeter and this one is 6 centimeter. So in triangle AOB, angle AOB is 90 degree. Why? Because we know that diagonals intersect at 90 degree. Done. So if this one is 90, by Pythagoras theorem we know that 90 opposite is hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals to height square plus base square. So hypotenuse is AB square, height is AO square and base is OB square. Okay, so AB square equals to, in place of AO write down 8 square, in place of OB write down 6 square. So AB square equals to 64 plus 36. So AB equals to 100. So therefore AB equals to root under 100, because square is given. When square remove from this side, this is square root, so that is 10 centimeter. So AB is 10 centimeter. Okay, but find all the sides of the rhombus. So if AB equals to 10, BC is also 10, CD is also 10 and AD is also 10 centimeter. All sides are 10 centimeter because we know that all sides of rhombus are equal. Okay, note. Now time for question number 10. In the question number 10, first of all you see that figure. Okay, in this given figure, ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square. That means this portion is square, and ABRS is a rhombus. This portion is given. Okay. Now SAD, that means this portion is given 120 degree. Okay, then find ASD, that means this one portion find, and SDC, that means this one. Okay, so we know that SAD, this one is given 120 degree, and we need to find AD, that is ASD, and SDC. You see, ASD, that means this one, and SDC, that means this one. Okay, so first of all you see ABCD is a square is given. Okay, see the question properly. ABCD is a square, that means AB, BC, DC and AD, all sides are equal. Okay, because we know that all sides of a square are equal. Done. And we know that this is rhombus ABRS, that means AB, BR, RS and SA is also equal. All sides of a rhombus are equal. Suppose the side of square is x, that means this one is x, this one is x, this one is x, this one is x. Okay, So ABCD is a rhombus, or sorry, ABCD is a square, all sides are equal, and ABR is also a rhombus, so that means all sides are equal, because square and rhombus all sides are equal. So if this one is x, that means this one is also x. You understood now what I am saying? If square, this portion is a square, this all sides are equal. If this one is x, that means this AB is also part of a rhombus and also part of a square. If this one is x in square, that means this one is also x in rhombus. If this one is x in rhombus, that means all sides of rhombus are also x. So all sides are equal. Okay. So in triangle SAD, you see, clearly given portion. Okay, so here is, you know that SDC, this portion, SDC, you need to find this portion, SDC. Okay, so in triangle SAD, okay, SAD, first of all you see that in this triangle, this side and this side is equal. Why? Because this is also x or this is also x. You see, AD is also x, and SA, that is this portion, is also x. These two portion, you see now, this, because all sides are equal. So if this one is x, this one is also x, this one is x. If this one is x, this one is also x. So these two sides AD and SA equal. So we write AD equals to AS equals to x. Okay, equal. We know that what? That means when two sides of a triangle are equal, then angle opposite to them are also equal. So therefore SDA is equals to SDA. That means this angle is equals to ASD. ASD we taken as y, because again I repeat, this angle is equals to this angle, because these two sides are equal. When two sides of a triangle are equal, then angle opposite to them are also equal. When two sides of a triangle are equal, then sides opposite to them are equal. Okay, so in this triangle we see this one is 120, this one is we taken y, and this one is taken y, equals to 180 degree. So 120 plus 2y equals to 180 degree. So 2y equals to 180 minus 120. So therefore y equals to 60 upon 2, that is 30 degree. So this angle, so ASD, that means this one is 30 degree. Clear? This one is 30 degree, this one is 30 degree, and this portion is also 30 degree. Then, but the ASD we find out, but the question is about SDC. SDC, that means this angle. SDC, that means this angle. So we know that each angle of a square is 90 degree. So angle ADC equals to 90 degree. We know that each angle of a square is 90 degree. We know that na? This whole portion is 90 degree. You get this point 30, because you find out this portion is 30. So this portion is 60 degree, because the whole portion is 90 and this angle is 30 degree. So the left portion is 60 degree. Okay, so SDC, that means SDC, this angle, what? 90 minus 30 degree. So SDC is 60 degree. Clear? Note.